Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving fifth problem in exercise 2.1. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. The video link is in the description to check it out. It will be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. Prove that square of any integers leaves the remainder either 0 or 1 when divided by 4. Here what is the question? We need to prove that square of any integer. Any integer means it could be either odd number or even number. Any integers. Square of any integers leaves the remainder 0 or 1 when divided by 4. First we need to take common letter for representing any number. Then we need to check out whether it is divisible by 4 or not. And remainder would be either 0 or 1. Okay. For that, what we are going to do is, we are going to take specific letter. Common letter for representing any number. Here I am taking n. You can take any letters. Here I am taking n. Okay. If this particular number is odd, then what will happen? Odd. If the particular number is even, what will happen? We have to check both the cases. Okay. Odd means we should know the value of, we should know the formula for creating odd numbers, and even we should know the formula for creating even numbers. Already we had discussed about this in my previous classes. For creating odd number, the formula would be 2k plus 1, right? 2k. Here only the positive any integers. Here the thing is any integer. So 2k plus 1, formula for creating odd numbers, and formula for creating even numbers 2k. This is already I had discussed about. So we should know the two formulas. We should know the formula for creating odd numbers and creating even numbers. Then only we can solve this problem. Now we can see the solution. For the solution, I have written the given information. That is any integer. I am taking any integer as n. Okay, you can take any letter. I am taking n. It represents any number, any integer. So I have to check two cases. First case is if n is odd. Okay, if n is odd. Now I should write the formula for creating odd numbers. That is 2k plus 1. Next, what is given in the question? We need to find the square value, right? Square value of any integer. So this is the integer. I need to find out the square value. Then n square, right? N square 2k plus 1, the whole square, right? This is in the form of a plus b the whole square formula. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So here what is a? 2k square plus what is b? 1 square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into 2k into 1, right? So 2 into 2 square 4. 4k square plus 1 plus 2 into 2 4. 4 into k 4k. This is the answer for n square. If I am writing k terms together, I'll be getting 4k square plus 4k plus 1. This is the answer. Now what we have to do, we need to check out whether it is divisible by 4 or not. That means, which means it is divided by 4 without leaving the remainder. Here the remainder is 0. It is mentioned in the question. So that the remainder would be either 0 or 1. Okay. Then if we are dividing by 4, we'll be getting here 4k square by 4. We can divide easily. 4k by 4. We can divide easily, and 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4. Okay, here the remainder is 0, right? We can divide it easily without leaving the remainder. Here also 0. In this case, remainder would be 1. Next, we need to check case 2. What is case 2? If n is even, we need to check that also. If n is even means what is the formula for creating even numbers? 2k, right? 2k. Now I should find out the value, square value. I'll be getting n square, 2k square means 4k square. If I am dividing 4k square by 4, I'll be getting answer is k square. The remainder would be 0, right? Remainder would be 0. So, how we can write the answer? Hence, it is proved that the square value of any integer leaves the remainder 0 or 1 when it is divided by 4. Okay, we have to write the answer according to the question. This is all about the answer of 5th problem. Try to understand the concept. We need to check both the cases. When particular integer is odd, what will happen? When particular integer is even, what will happen? In both cases, we have to know the formula for creating odd numbers and creating even numbers. That's it. If you practice more, nothing is complicated. So practice it and try to do it yourself. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.